Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? Now, I couldn't find anywhere how to use this alcohol stove, so I thought I'd do a video for myself and other people out there. I'm assuming it uses alcohol, so I've got some methylated spirits here. I'm going to try and use that. Very hard to open with one hand. Put this on a tripod, shouldn't I? Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit in here just to test the thing. Okay, that should do. Put the lid back on because it's going to evaporate, right? And I'm just doing this on the barbecue so I'm safe. And get that right out of the way. And you can either use a light or any matches or whatever. Now you hear that? That actually started, right? And when you put this top on, you can't actually tell that it's on, but it's on. Trust me, it's on. You can hardly see it, especially with methylated spirits. But it's on. Okay, if I leave my hand there, it'll burn me. And I'm assuming that's to make it less hot, and that's to make it more hot, because it lets in air, right? And then, if you want to kill it, I don't know if you can see, that is definitely on, okay? Yeah, you can see the spoon, right, heating up, or kind of spoon thing. To kill it, you smother it, like that. Alright, smothered. Alright, there's no heat anymore, it's showing up as off. I'm going to leave that on there just in case. Leave that away. So that's it. Alcohol. I suppose isopropanol would work. I don't know about what other alcohols you would use. I would think any kind of combustant, but I'm no expert on this. I would have thought even if you got stuck, like petrol might work. That's why I got my motorbike here. You could siphon petrol, but I don't know about the petrol thing. Don't trust me on that. I was just like, I assume anything in there that would burn, like kerosene, possibly would work. Just the design of it. That there wasn't any instructions, but anyway, methylated spirits would burn pretty clean. It's very cheap. I think isopropanol alcohol would be the other one. It'd be interesting to try vodka in there or something like that, although it's only about 30% alcohol. But anyway, hope that helps. Teach us out.